Hey, how you going? You see behind me, all the ibis down there. I'm gonna go spook the shit out of all this. Look, so I've got to launch out that way. I'll get out of the way of the camera, you watch me come in all the ibis. Well, that's take-off time. And just keep an eye over there. I'll go up, around to my left, and I'll smash those ibis. Coming down of them now. And right shoot. Yeah. Ibis everywhere. Oops. Well, pop the can a bit. Well, that was fun. Alright, catch you guys later.